Alright everyone, welcome to Earthling Cooks. Today we're not going to be actually cooking anything, but I wanted to review this kitchen item. It's the Cuisinart PerfecTemp cordless programmable kettle. And I'm actually going to go ahead and plug it in and get this boiling water so we can see how long and how quick it works as I describe it and kind of talk about its features. The base here before we put it in is what it goes on to get power from. And it's got a little cord holder so you can take in or out more cord as you need and keep it nice and neat. Unit itself, flip top lid there, and then all your settings on the side. And I'm actually going to grab out my phone quick and turn on a timer program. So we're going to go ahead and set this to boil since that's going to be the hottest temperature. Got my timer set up down here, and we're going to go ahead and click boil, start, and we'll hit start on the timer. Then we'll see how long it takes in the end. And I put about 3/4 of a liter, which would be plenty for a single serving of coffee, tea, anything like that. So the reason I actually bought this is my girlfriend drinks a lot of tea, and I'll sometimes make coffee in a French press. And I was looking around online for tea kettles, and this one just stuck out because I like Cuisinart to begin with. And when I saw that all different teas, I don't drink tea as much myself, but when I saw that all these different teas like to have a different temperature, kind of get it on screen here so you can look at this. I thought that'd be perfect. So basically, your black teas you'll boil French press at 200, oolong 190, and so on and so on. So it has all those right up here, real easy to select. And you know, any other teas you might have, you can go online and look up what they might need. So the unit itself, as we just talked about, has those 6 preset temperatures. You got a 1500 watt kettle there, and it holds 1.75 liters of water. Got a memory function where once this is done and you lift it up off the base, which we'll demonstrate once it finishes boiling here, you can lift it up off the base, use it, put it back down, and it'll remember your setting and it'll keep it there warm for about 30 minutes, which we'll get to. Down here you'll see maintains the temperature for 30 minutes. So if this keep warm button is lit up like it is, it's going to keep it at the boiling temperature for 30 minutes. So it's been about a minute and a half, and as you can see, it's making a lot of noise. It's starting to get boiling here. Probably going to take at least 2.5 minutes for this 0.75 liters. I'm going to go ahead and leave the camera here, but if it takes too long, I will skip ahead. But go ahead and take your guesses if you want. We're at 150, and we'll see how long until the unit beeps. But I'm just going to be quiet now and skip ahead if it takes very much longer. Alright, we're at 310, and I just skipped ahead here to leave out some time, and as you can hear, now we got some boiling noise. Within a few seconds I'm sure it's going to beep here, and then we'll demonstrate what happens. Oh, so there it's beeping. I think it beeped at about 325, so 3.5 minutes, not bad at all. And I'll demonstrate as well. You can take this off, just pour some out, and as you see, the lights are all turned off. But it remembers your settings, so now when we set it down, it's right back to boil still, and it still knows to keep it there. And then when you're done using it, if you don't want it to keep it warm anymore, you just hit the keep warm button and that'll turn it all off. Pretty neat. It's nice that there's no cord connected to it, so you can just pick this up and go anywhere you want. Not many kettles have that function, so that's a really cool part of it. And works really nice. I mean, it just boils water, but having all those settings and having the different tea settings is really nice. So just wanted to show that for coffee and tea, a great little thing to have. Have any questions about it, let me know. Otherwise, happy cooking. See y'all later. Alright everyone, welcome to Earthling Cooks. Today we're not going to be actually cooking anything, but I wanted to review this kitchen item. It's the Cuisinart PerfecTemp cordless programmable kettle. And I'm actually going to go ahead and plug it in and get this boiling water so we can see how long and how quick it works as I describe it and kind of talk about its features. The base here before we put it in is what it goes on to get power from, and it's got a little cord holder so you can take in or out more cord as you need and keep it nice and